Good evening, Rajani here. Gonna share with you one more tea. I'm making this lemon, ginger, and honey with lemon balm herb that I have growing in my garden. So you start with a cup of water, and then of course you're gonna put a little piece of ginger right here, chopped ginger, and then I happen to have a couple of turmeric too, turmeric root, so I decided to put a little bit of that also. You do not have to put that. And then I have to have a lemon balm. It's a herb, very good for your health. So 2 leaves of lemon balm right there. So you wait until ginger boils, then you add a whole teaspoon, tablespoon, however you like it, honey. If you like it sweeter, you may want to have a little more than a whole teaspoon. This makes you just a cup of tea, so you can do more for 3-4 cups of tea. And let it boil, and then towards the end, you just add half a teaspoon of lemon juice, fresh squeezed lemon juice. Half a teaspoon of fresh squeezed lemon juice. Same thing here, you can drink this tea cold, warm like that, and if you like it cold during the summer, you can put some ice cubes, and then you can put your tea, and then you can have it cold also. This is how it looks. This is with honey, lemon juice, honey, and ginger. And then of course you can always strain with the strainer everything. And then if you put in the teacup pot like this, it already has a strainer. I usually make a whole pot in the morning, and if I'm in the home over the weekend, because this tea does not have any caffeine, just like my almond tea earlier didn't have any caffeine. This also does not have any caffeine. And if you don't have to have you do not have to have a lemon balm. If you like mint, you can make the mint tea just like this too. Thank you for watching my YouTube video. Please like it, subscribe it, and share with your family and friends. Thank you.